Welcome, and from me is a Samsung Galaxy A71, and today I will show you how to reset settings on the device. So to get started, you want to open up your settings. From there, scroll all the way down to General Management, and then tap on Reset, from where you will find Reset Settings right at the top. Once you tap on it, it will give you a list of things that it will reset. So you have security and language settings, accessibility, personal data, settings for downloaded apps. So you can tap on Reset Settings, then confirm it once more. It begins the process. It should be a fairly quick one. Now it looks like the device needs to reboot after it resets, so just give it a moment. And there we go. And now the process is fully finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.